Hello, good day. Welcome to our class for today. I am teacher Emmanuel. Don't forget. Today we're going to talk about lesson 5 and 6 of unit 10. Don't forget the topic. It's hot today. It's hot today. So we are still talking about unit 10. It's hot today. So today we're going to talk about lesson 5 and 6. So now this is where we are. 5. Scales time. Scales time. So I'm going to read and then I'll expect you to read with me. Alright? Now here's the weather. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Here is the weather news. It's very cold outside. Wear warm coats and hats. Have a nice morning. Here's the weather at 9 o'clock. It's raining now. Don't forget your umbrellas and your raincoats. Don't get wet. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The weather now is sunny and hot. Don't forget your sun hats and sunglasses. Have a nice afternoon in the sun. It's 7 o'clock and here is the weather. It's very windy outside now. It's a good time to fly a kite, but don't let your hats fly away. So you see, it's very simple. Now, I'm going to read again. And I hope you look at me as I try to read this way. We have first paragraph, second, third, and fourth. Let me read the first one now. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Here is the weather news. It's very cold outside. Wear warm coats and hats. Have a nice morning. That is number 1. Number 2, here is the weather at 9 o'clock. It's raining now. Don't forget your umbrellas and your raincoats. Don't get wet. And number 3, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The weather now is sunny and hot. Don't forget your sun hats and sunglasses. Have a nice afternoon in the sun. And the last one. It's 7 o'clock and here is the weather. It's very windy outside now. It's a good time to fly a kite, but don't let your hats fly away. So, I hope you read more and get used to reading this. In class, we are going to read one by one, and don't forget, I'll reward you if you get a nice reading. So let's go down here to the next question. We have the questions here. Read again, match. You can use your pencil and match. You have 6 o'clock. You have the weather. You have the weather and the weather. 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 7 o'clock. From here, I think we should be able to pick the answers. Let's do number 1. It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. The weather, here's the weather news. It's very cold outside. So, 6 o'clock, be cold. Now, number 2, 9 o'clock. I hope you should be able to match it. Alright, let's quickly go over to lesson 6. We have listen and think. Here is the weather. We have this, and this. I hope you should be able to do that once you hear the sounds. Now, point, ask, and answer. We have cold, windy, sunny, hot, raining, snowing, snowing, raining, hot, sunny, windy, and cold. And we have the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So if I should ask you, it's Monday, what's the weather like? You look here and say, oh, it's cold. Now, number two, it's Tuesday, what's the weather like? It's windy. It's Wednesday, what's the weather like? It's sunny. It's Thursday, what's the weather like? It's hot. It's Friday, what's the weather like? It's raining. And number last, it's Saturday, what's the weather like? It's snowing. Don't forget. Now we have the last one. Circle the verbs, underline the adjectives. Don't forget that the verbs are doing words or action words like jump, run, sit, stand. And adjectives are the words we use to describe, talk about things. Maybe high, low, white, black, yellow, brown. Those words we use to talk about how the colors of things, the size of things, big or small. All those words are adjectives, describing words, while verbs are doing words or action words. So here we are to circle the verbs and underline the adjectives. We have, she opens her yellow umbrella. The verb there, number one, is opens, and the adjective there is yellow. And number two, he eats a hot pizza. He eats a hot pizza. Now, what's the adjective there? What's the adjective? Can you do that? Adjective. Hot, yes. What about the verb? Eats. Okay. We have number three. I drink a cold milkshake. What's the verb there? Drink, yes. And the adjective? Okay, cold. So listen more to the video, watch it more. If you have any question, ask me in class. We're going to end this section now. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.